The caffeine is in full force, and so my brain is in overdrive, and I'm thinking about multiple problems at the same time. And I'm not sure if I'm crazy or not. What I'm trying to solve is the dust issue, the water issue of having to just fill this thing up all the time, tray washing indoors, and dust control for that pupa machine and the beetle sifter. And so I'm going to combine a few ideas together. It involves water in this building, and so because I want to get rid of that and use it for something different. I don't want to get rid of it, I want to use it for something different. I need the space. So I need running water in this building. And back over here, this stack here, there is a plumbing already into the building. Unfortunately, there's no water near me, so I'm gonna have to solve that. I can run something, I'll have to hire somebody to run some underground hose, underground pipe over to here, put a hydrant outside, and probably do it that way. I'll also talk with the city about putting a water meter out here, see if that's possible. But what that does is this goes away. Don't need that anymore. And so that could potentially be used to store wheat bran. I'll measure out how much wheat bran can go in there to see if, like, how often we'll have to refill it. But I have an auger. I have a chore time auger that I could use, or I could get an auger, which would allow me to auger the bran up there. And then I've got a smaller auger that I could connect onto the bottom of this potentially to feed bran out and feed it into trays or into the beetle sifter. That could work, and that can move too. Like if we need to move this to the middle of the room, since it won't be filled with water, I'm not worried about it overflowing or anything like that anywhere else. So I could potentially move it to other places. The other thing that I'm wrapping into this is, instead of using so I was going to put the outdoor camping shower right here, basically where the dust stuff is there, to build an enclosed area to wash trays inside. Instead, I wonder if I could use that as a dust collector to, like, wrap this machine, put that machine on wheels and be able to move it out of the way, and then put this guy, roll that guy in and work in that dusty area, and connect the dust to that, or the dust machine to that. Repurpose it for that. And then so if I use the shower for that dust collection method, the other thing is, with running water in here, it becomes more viable to, instead of washing the trays in the outdoor shower, which could still potentially happen. If all that stuff's on wheels, I could theoretically still wash those trays inside. So a next step, let's look at it that way. A next step would be to create basically a dishwashing machine or a tray washing machine for indoors. Somebody showed me a video that had somebody washing microgreen trays, those black plastic trays, by using a power washer and sliding it through. I could potentially use one of those, or build one of those. I would need multiple jets. So the main power washing jet, they were putting it upside down. The main power washing jet would be underneath to clean the inside of the tray, but I'd need something for all these nooks and crannies. So I'd need, maybe one that goes down, one that goes up, maybe one on the corner would be enough. I'd have to map that out and design it. But with running water in here, that becomes feasible. So am I just complicating this, or am I solving several problems all at once? I've got time to design stuff, so I'll probably start working on that, the tray washer, and think about relocating the indoor shower to wrap around the machine as opposed to there. Get that thing on wheels, and then I can still utilize that for tray washing inside while it's cold. Get that ready, and then I make better use of my space in here for everything that's going on. Good ideas, bad ideas.